What the fuck? What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is the day we finally gonna be hitting the dyno. Today is dyno day. You guys went ahead and saw my last video. The final piece that I need was this line because the original recirc valves were located right here in the middle, but with the new piping, the tile blow-off valves are a little bit more deeper into the engine bay. I do want to have the car run for at least a good 5 minutes before I secure everything and make sure I have everything on. I'm gonna go ahead and put the front bumper on. And yes, I know I've been dabbling around whether I want to take the car Frankenstein without the wide body fenders, or we're gonna have it with the wide body fenders. And I figured today, since I have a good amount of time, I am gonna put the wide body on because I think it's just gonna look super nuts on the dyno. Hopefully we can get some good photos of it. I'm bringing my tripod and everything. That way I can just fully just sit there and watch the dyno happen and have Seth tune the car. So here's the plan for today. We're actually gonna be going to Nestor's shop. Nestor's just gonna double check everything, make sure I did everything correctly. I'm like 99% sure I did everything correctly, but he's gonna go and check everything out. And then when Seth calls us, if he can get us in earlier, we're gonna have the car thrown up on the dyno. Oh wait, actually Seth is gonna also do the flex fuel kit install, and then we're gonna go ahead and dyno. So we have a lot of stuff to do today. I have some stuff to pack. I might even have to walk across the street to the bank because I gotta pay Seth and I gotta pay all the guys. And then we find out, guys. We find out if the car is gonna make the power that we want. So if you guys are watching this video and this is your guys' first time, I'm Lance. I'm from Hawaii. The dream is just to build cool cars and have fun with them. So please, if you guys could do me a favor, smash the like button for today's video. Drop a comment down below what exact horsepower you think this car is gonna be making. And if you guys haven't done so either, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the post notifications. I post videos every single Tuesday now, and just maybe I might be posting an extra vlog, but you guys gotta hit the post notifications to let you guys know when I'm posting a vlog. But anyways, let's go and have some fun today. All right, we got the Cobb Access Port updated and ready to go. It should be running on the latest firmware. So Seth went ahead and sent me a baseline tune. That way we can get the car driven to the shop. Cannot communicate. Please verify cable is plugged in securely and then on. Oh, hello. Duh. Let's have the car up and ready. Change ECU map. What? All right, fourth time is the charm. Press on. Click continue. Remember, yeah, that's good. Update. Okay. Show current map just to make sure we're on the right tune. ECU. Yes. Okay, that's good for now. TCM, I'll let Seth take care of it. We're on stage 2 SD. Oh, yeah, I'm super scared for this, but let's do this anyway. And in 3, 2, please, God, please, please, please. Yes! Yes! Wow, this sounds really raspy. Wow, this car sounds a lot more angrier than it was before. Oh my god. Okay, oh dude. What? Dude, this sounds so much more nastier. Oh my god, this is nuts. What in the world is going on right now? That was probably the most gnarliest startup I've ever had with this car yet. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes just to let it idle for a bit. And then I'm gonna put on the front bumper, the fenders, and we are going. We're out of here. We gotta get out of here. Oh, this is nuts. Now look at that, guys. Look at that alpha intercooler right there. Man, this looks so sick. And I'm super excited to get this going. Oh my god, let's go, guys. This is probably gonna be one of my most favorite vlogs I'm gonna film yet, and we're almost there, guys. Let's go. We're just gonna go ahead and nicely coast along. Nestor shop is right around the corner. Oh, I cannot explain how excited I am today, guys. I'm super excited and really nervous. I even took off from work today just to make today happen. That's how excited I am, and I really want to savor today. Corvette. I made it.
What?
The tune wasn't flashing at first, so I had to uninstall it and reinstall it again. Alright, in the meantime, while we wait for Seth's call, we're gonna go ahead and do the alignment for the wheels since we haven't done it yet. And we've been having slight problems because of all the rubbing. So, Nestor's gonna be going ahead and turning it and trying to see if we can clear. While we got Nestor working, I'm gonna be going ahead and making my time useful for today and just trying to edit as much of the vlogs that I can. I think I'm like 2 or 3 vlogs deep already. Trying to make the time useful until we get called into Dyno. Alright, quick update for you guys. So we are at Rad Motorsport, but the only problem is that these wheels are way too thick. So I'm gonna go and have to borrow Nestor's wheels. I'm gonna have to switch these out because the rear wheels are 4 inches too thick on the rollers. So it's gonna look kind of funky on the car. Alright, we have to take the car back to Nestor's shop and put on the stock wheels. But oh my goodness, this looks so rinky-dink. We got the work wheels over there. Nestor's already torquing everything down. But the reason why I picked up the camera is because I wanted to show you guys literally right here. This thing looks like a god darn spaceship. Damn. Well, this is it, guys. Moment of truth right here. Yeah, what's your guess? What's your guess?
600.
600. Yeah, as long as 600, I'm cool with it. 615, I'll be happy.
15?
615, I'll be happy.
What do you get? What do you get? Holy pump.
That's it. 615. I'm happy with that.
You want to be realistic? I'll tell you.
Well, the injectors might limit it though, yeah?
Yeah.
Because it's only 1,000. We got the Legend working right here. Yes, sir.
That's your new pump gas numbers and your new ethanol numbers.
Alright, we broke 6. I'm happy with that. Thank you again.
Yep.
We did it. 605, 633 torque. Damn. Well, we got what we wanted. 600 plus. That's all I cared about. Shout out to Seth over there. Shout out to the guys at Rads, by the way.
Yeah.
They said they won't give my car back until I do a shout out. I'm so happy we got over 600. That's all I want. And to be honest, we don't really need that much power here in Hawaii, but like it's probably gonna be super torquey now. So Seth said that as long as the car is above E60, basically you're at full power, so I don't have to run fully on ethanol. And being that I dropped the pump gas super low, we already got E60 just off of 5 gallons of ethanol. So that means I have 5 more gallons to use. I don't know when I'm gonna use it, but I want to get the car painted now. We do have to put the wheels back on, but guys, wow. I'm so happy. I'm like super genuinely happy. Everybody's out of the shop right now. Guys are doing stuff on the side. I figure I use this time for all of you guys that's watching this video. If you guys could do me a favor, please smash the like button for today's video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the car now. And thank you guys so much for following the build. We are almost there. We have one more step, which is going to be paint, and then we're done for now. All right, we got the wheels back on. This car feels like a whole different I'm not even doing a pull on it, and already I can tell that this thing feels so much better. It's ridiculous. I haven't even took a pull on it yet. Probably when I make this turn, I'm just gonna do a light pull. Also forgot to mention, from the very base tune from when Seth first tuned the car, it was at 400. Now we're at 600. And let's see how it feels. What the fuck? Jesus! I'm making a separate video of just my own reactions of driving on ethanol. This is freaking nuts. And that was only a baby pull. And the blow valves sound freaking awesome! Woo! Yes! Wait, let's see if we can get another one. Oh, that blowout valve. I don't know if you guys can tell with all the wind. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is beautiful. Now, one thing I do have to do is get the car recon, and it's like a reconstruction or reconstructed license for registering your car, especially when you modify it here in Hawaii. So that's one thing I'm gonna have to do, and that is gonna be all the way in town. So we're gonna have a little fun with that. But I'm gonna end the video here. I do have dinner plans. I thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'm super hyped. And if you guys could do so, please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, drop a like for today's video, and also drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the car. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and always to remember, challenge your standards.